One of the first harps that I did customization work on years ago was a Suzuki SCX. And what are you doing down there, boo-boo? And one of the things that I really like about this is that while it's not a very expensive harp, once it's customized, it can be a very credible professional player. This harp was air-tightened, and that means the comb was sanded flat, and then the mouthpiece was lapped into the actual comb. And then, of course, it had a slider, Kettlewell Frictionless mouthpiece slider, which makes movement to holes friction-free and provides relaxed embouchure for the lip. But listen to how airtight this is and how beautiful the tone is, even on a simple SCX when they're professionally set up. Do you feel I'm sharp or flat, perhaps? My little dog, Boo-Boo. But anyhow, the point is that, you know, an instrument like an SCX actually makes a very fine professional platform for a customized instrument. And very pleasing. Lovely harp. Customized Suzuki SCX 16.